World Time Attack 2024. I'm actually leaving probably a little bit later than I thought because, you know, things happen. I myself went to the event many years ago, actually working in a pit crew for a competitor at the time. These kids in these photos are actually in high school now, so that's how long ago it was. But let's see what World Time Attack 2024 has to offer. Getting myself ready here, being a bit sun smart. It's quite breezy here today, but still showing about 29 degrees, so very sunny, very hot, and I'm very pale, so those are not things that normally go well together. For any of you guys who haven't made your way to World Time Attack before, hopefully you get to see a little bit of the event and maybe consider coming checking out for yourself. You'll see everything here. Fast cars, drift cars, and everything in between. It's going to be great. I tell you, the car park is nearly enough of a car show on its own. There's plenty of like basic kind of stuff here, but it's almost like wings for days. There's the racing, there's the drifting, and there's the car show. Pretty unique vehicles in this little paddock. Let me show you a few of them. Well, that is it for World Time Attack 2024. It was pretty windy, pretty noisy time as well, especially with this going on here behind me. I thought it best just to jump in the car where it's a bit quieter so you can actually hear what I'm trying to say. I tried to actually capture a little bit of the drift demos just now here, but I was a little bit ill prepared, unfortunately, as the guys came out on track and they only basically come out for one run. My camera battery died like straight away, totally unexpectedly. And I've also got to head off now before the actual drifting starts at 6 o'clock. I have a date with the family down on the beautiful south coast at Shell Harbour. So I'm going to hit the road, head down and meet up with my wife and my two beautiful daughters. Little added bonus here, there was a supercar run that had come down here to the Kiama blowhole, so we got to see some fantastic cars while we were here. Totally unexpected. Thanks to Jay and Cian for giving me this really cool shirt. Really looking forward to that come Summernats time as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do like what you see here, chuck a like on the video and throw us a subscription as well, because all of that stuff makes a big difference to us. Thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it and appreciate your time. So until next time, take care and we'll speak soon.